That certainly gave us something to think about. कुछ प्रस्तुतियां अपलॉस के साथ खत्म होती हैं और कुछ थॉट्स के साथ हमारे साथ चलती रहती हैं. Now we move from ideas and principles to a deeply personal story. A story where a few words carry on paper a world of emotions. A letter is just paper and ink until it becomes the last chance to say what the heart has been holding. कभी कभी एक चिट्ठी में सिर्फ शब्द नहीं होते, उसमें इंतजार, रिश्ते, यादें और अनकही भावनाएं होती हैं. Our next presentation takes us into such a moment. It is a story that invites us to look beyond the words and discover the emotions hidden between the lines. तो कुछ पल के लिए अपने आसपास की आवाजों को भूल जाइए और इस कहानी को महसूस कीजिए. Presenting our third performance, The Last Letter by the students of class 8th B.
Every Independence Day, we celebrate beneath the fluttering tricolor. We sing songs, wave flags, and remember our heroes. But behind every medal lies a soldier who stood away. Every festival, every birthday, every family photograph has one place waiting to be filled. While we celebrate freedom, someone stands awake on the border. Today we present the story of one such hero, a son, a brother, and a soldier. This is not merely a letter written with courage. It is a letter written with unconditional love. Welcome to the last letter. Scene 1 at home. Far away from battlefield, another battle is silently fought. Every day, the battle of waiting. Every ring of the phone, every knock at the door fills the soldier's family with love, hope, and fear.
It has been months since Vikram came home. It has been months since Vikram came home. Every knock at the door makes my heart race.
Our son chose the uniform knowing the risk. We taught him to love the nation, and today is fulfilling the promise.
But you promised you'll come home after this mission. This time we'll celebrate the Independence Day together.
He never breaks his promises, beta. But remember, a soldier belongs to his family only after he belongs to his country.
While families sleep peacefully, thousands of soldiers stand away under the freezing skies and scorching suns. At the border, every heartbeat carries one promise. My nation comes with something more precious than his belongings, his words.
Dear Mom, if this letter reaches you before I don't cry. Dear Mom, if this letter reaches you before I don't cry, your son is exactly where he always wanted to be, guarding the motherland. The mountains are covered with snow, but your blessings keep me warm. Anaya, Happy Independence Day. I know I couldn't attend your school function last year, but this year I'll clap the loudest. If I am late, don't wait with tears, wait with pride. Papa, thank you for teaching me that courage is not the absence of fear, but the victory over it. My little sister, study well, dream big, and always smile. Whenever you see the tricolor, remember that your brother is smiling with you.
Vikram, are you writing home again?
Yes, Dheeraj, a soldier must never leave his family without words, because tomorrow is never promised.
Do you miss home?
Every single day, I miss Ma's food, Papa's advice, and my little sister's endless chatter. But when I see the Indian flag, I remember that millions of families are depending on us.
Sometimes the loudest silence is one that follows a knock on the door. It is the moment every soldier's family fear about, yet faces extraordinary courage.
Missy Sharma, Captain Vikram displayed extraordinary courage while protecting our country. He attained martyrdom in yesterday's operation. India salutes her brave son.
No, he promised. He promised he'd come.
My son kept his promise. He did come, wrapped in the honor of the Tiranga. I gave birth to one child. Today I feel every soldier is my child.
Here's a letter from Vikram.
Ma, if someday you miss me, don't search for me in photographs. Look at the tricolor. I'll be smiling beneath it. Don't cry for me. Smile, because I lived my dream. Promise me you will never bow your head in sorrow. Ma, don't say you lost a son. Say proudly that India gained a soldier. Papa, tell every child that freedom is never free. My little sister, whenever someone asks about your brother, just smile and say, my brother lives wherever the Indian flag flies. And to my beloved India, thank you for giving me the honor of serving you. Jai Hind.
A martyr never truly lives his sacrifice. He becomes the strength of the nation. His dreams become a responsibility, and his story becomes the history.
My brave child did not live here. He lived in the every sunrise over mountains, every waves along our shores, and every heartbeat that proudly says, Amen, Indian. A soldier's heartbeat may stop, but his courage echoes to generations.
I gave birth to one child. Today, I feel every soldier is my child.
We are grieving, but we are proud.
Bhaiya, I will study hard and make you proud. Your dreams will never die.
A soldier's last letter is not an ending. It is the beginning of our duty. If we truly wish to honor our martyrs, let's not remember them only on National Festival. Let us remember them every day through our honesty, unity, and love for India. Because the greatest tribute we can pay to our heroes is to build the India they dreamed of.
Freedom
Was earned by sacrifice. Let us honor it through our actions. A soldier's heartbeat may stop, but his courage echoes through generations.